Vidant Health is preparing for a reopening of its own. Executives are taking steps to resume essential care services that are not related to COVID-19.
9 Your Side's Ariana Kraft continues our team coverage live in Greenville. Ariana, what are hospital leaders saying about the change?
Ken, Sheila, they're saying that they're not done with the fight against the coronavirus. They say Vidant's increased testing capabilities and supplies of personal protective equipment now means they can bring in patients that have had delayed care.
We just want to remind the public that people have illnesses beyond COVID.
Vidant Health has a list of patients who postponed procedures because of pandemic restrictions.
It's really important that they talk to their doctors and they manage their conditions. If they need us, the hospitals are safe, the emergency departments are open and safe, and we will increase our ability to offer these essential services.
Doctors are reaching out to those patients, saying it's okay for them to come get that essential care.
We're really focused on care that should be within about a 4-week span of time. Whatever that procedure or test is, if a physician feels you need it at that level of urgency, we're calling that essential, that you have that done.
Vidant workers have procedures for safely sanitizing the hospital. Coronavirus patients will be separated from people who don't have the virus.
Even our decisions about essential care escalation are taken with the awareness of how much testing capability we have and how much PPE we have that we can safely bring these patients in.
The hospital will make adjustments depending on the local health situation.
If we saw an increasing number of COVID patients or we saw a decreasing supply for PPE, we would make decisions about how to balance that as we go forward.
But they still want people to know the pandemic isn't over.
COVID-19 is still with us.
The coronavirus has had a large financial impact on Vidant Health, leading to furloughs and schedule changes. Vidant leaders say they will continue to monitor their financial situation to determine what steps to take moving forward. Live in Greenville, Ariana Kraft, 9 on your side.
Ariana, thanks.